Feeling swamped by everyday challenges? How about a timeless solution from the sage teachings of Stoicism, guided by the expert Pierre Hadot? Meet Pierre Hadot, an extraordinary scholar who brought ancient philosophy into the spotlight. Known for his deep understanding of Stoicism, Hadot teaches us that this isn't just about reading texts, it's about living them, every day, every moment. Now let's unpack some core ideas of Stoicism. Imagine controlling what you can and accepting what you cannot. Sounds liberating, right? Stoics focus on personal virtue and wisdom, preparing us to face life's ups and downs with a calm spirit. And it doesn't stop there. Stoicism isn't just philosophy. It's a toolkit for life transformation. People around the world, from CEOs to athletes, use Stoic principles to enhance resilience and find peace amidst chaos. As we wrap up, remember, the power of Stoic wisdom isn't just in knowing it, but in living it. Curious to learn more about Pierre Hadot and Stoicism? Dive deeper into the philosophy that has transformed millions of lives. Closing and call to action. Explore the profound teachings of Stoicism and see how you can apply them to your life. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to live wisely and well. Thank you for joining us on this journey to inner peace and resilience.